How to remove Google account from Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friend, in this video I will show you how to remove Google account from Android phone. So let's get started. Friend, to remove your Google account from Android phone, first of all open setting on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on user and accounts. Friend, now tap on Google. Select Google and now you select Gmail account that you want to remove from your phone. Select Gmail account. After select Gmail account, friend, now tap on those two dots and tap on remove account. Remove account. Removing this account will delete all messages, contact and other data from the phone. Friend, now tap on remove account. After tap on remove account, friend, the Gmail account will successfully removed from your phone. You can see my Gmail account removed. Friend, in this method you remove Google account from your Android phone. Friend, if you find this video is helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.